an intra-cellular cleansing. Self-explanatory. Cleaning every cell that makes up every organ and system that totals the biological you. Meaning cleaning all of you. Not only your colon, like many have decided to do, to concentrate on the colon. No. We concentrate on the whole human body.
Here are a list of herbs that can help to cleanse and detoxify the body. Cascara sagrada. It causes muscle contractions in the intestines that help move stool through the bowels while stimulating liver and pancreas secretion. Rhubarb root is a highly effective laxative that helps improve and tone the health of the digestive tract. It also cleanses heavy metals from the body and kills harmful bacteria. Prodigiosa stimulates pancreas secretion, reduces blood sugar levels, and motivates fat digestion in the gallbladder while improving stomach digestion. Burdock root cleanses the liver and lymphatic system. It also helps to eliminate toxins through the skin and aids in filtering impurities through the bloodstream. Chaparral cleanses the lymphatic system and gallbladder. It also clears heavy metals from the blood and helps to treat diabetes. Dandelion cleanses kidneys, gallbladder, and the blood. It also dissolves kidney stones, provides relief from liver disorders, diabetes, urinary disorders, and is rich in calcium. Elderberry removes mucus from the upper respiratory system and lungs, boosts the immune system, increases urine flow, and induces sweating. Guaco cleanses the blood and cleanses the skin by promoting perspiration. It reduces inflammation, increases urination, and promotes a healthy respiratory system. It is also high in iron, stimulates the immune system, and has potassium phosphate. Eucalyptus can be used to help cleanse the skin through steaming and even in a sauna. Mullein cleanses the lungs, removes mucus from the small intestines, and activates lymph circulation in the chest and neck. This is our total cleansing package. It comes with all of the herbs that are mentioned in this video. We have offered it for many years, and it is very effective at cleansing all of the vital organs in the body. It does come with colon cleansing capsules, as well as our total cleansing package guide with detailed instructions. Here are what some of our customers have to say about our detox package. Jennifer writes, purging. I am happy to know that my body is being cleansed out. This is day 5. Victoria writes, total cleansing package review. My overall experience thus far has been great. Great herbal products. Delivery was on time as delivery date stated. Thank you so much. Aaron says, an amazing product. My overall experience is great every time I order. I feel like I have a brand new body once I take my total cleansing package. And then he writes much more after that, ending with my favorite cleansing product that I can always depend on. Thank God for blessing you. Jay says, best, did more than expected. Amy says, amazing cleanser. My overall experience with the total cleansing detox was amazing. She did a 14-day cleanse, and it's something she's never tried before. She does go on to state that it helps to lower her blood pressure. She did go to the doctor and confirm that her blood pressure is in normal range, and it also helped with the lupus that put her on a bunch of medication and damaged her body, but she no longer has symptoms of the lupus. These are just a few of the many reviews that we have received from our customers who are experiencing life-changing results. Cleansing is the first step in restoring the body and returning it to optimal health. Try it for yourself, and you will not only see but feel the awesome benefits.